Here's something that nobody teaches you in school, and most people figure out way too late. The average American has exactly one income stream, one job, one paycheck, and the moment that job disappears, so does everything else. No backup, no safety net, nothing. If you rely on just one paycheck, you are exactly one crisis away from financial disaster. And most people don't realize that they have the power to stop that today with almost zero risk. The wealthiest people in America don't work harder than you. They just get paid from more places at the same time. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly 7 income streams that can pay you every single month, whether you're sitting at your desk, driving your kids to school, or sleeping. Some of these require money up front. Some require time. And one of them you can literally start this week with whatever you have in your savings account right now. Let's get into it. Stream 1, the high yield savings account. I know what you're thinking. A savings account? That's your big idea, George. Hear me out. Most Americans still have their emergency fund sitting in a traditional bank account earning 0.01% interest. That means if you have $10,000 saved, your bank is paying you exactly $1 a year. $1, while they're lending your money out at 7, 8, sometimes 20%. A high-yield savings account fixes that immediately. Right now in 2026, the best high-yield savings accounts are paying between 4 and 5% annually. That same $10,000 now earns you $400 to $500 a year for doing absolutely nothing different. Meet Karen. She's 44, a teacher from Minnesota. She had $22,000 sitting in her checking account for 3 years, earning almost nothing. She moved it to a high-yield savings account in January. By December, she had earned over $1,000 in interest without changing a single spending habit. This isn't going to make you rich, but it's the easiest first stream you can activate this week, and it funds everything else. Stream 2, Dividend Stocks. Here's how dividend stocks work. You buy shares in a company, and that company pays you a portion of their profits every single quarter just for owning the stock. You don't have to do anything. The check shows up. Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Procter and Gamble. These companies have been paying and increasing their dividends for over 50 consecutive years. They're called dividend aristocrats. And right now, a solid dividend portfolio yields between 3 and 6% annually. Here's what that looks like in real life. If you invest $50,000 in dividend stocks with a 4% yield, that's $2,000 a year coming in. Every quarter, $500 lands in your account whether the stock goes up or down. Meet Robert. He's 52. A project manager in Texas. He started investing $300 a month into dividend stocks at age 40. By the time he was 50, he had built a portfolio that pays him over $800 every single month. He didn't get lucky. He didn't time the market. He just kept buying and reinvesting a month after month for 10 years. The key is to start. Even $50 a month compounds into something real over time. Stream 3, REITs. Most people think real estate means buying a rental property, dealing with tenants, fixing broken pipes at 2 in the morning. REITs let you own real estate without any of that. A REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust, is a company that owns income-producing properties. Shopping malls, apartment complexes, medical buildings, data centers. You buy shares just like a stock, and by law, REITs are required to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends to shareholders. That means every month or every quarter, you get a check just for owning a piece of American real estate. No tenants, no maintenance calls, no property taxes coming out of your pocket directly. Right now, Quality REITs are yielding between 4 and 8% annually, and some of the best ones have been paying consistent distributions for decades. Meet David and Linda. They're both 58, retired teachers from Ohio. They put $30,000 into a diversified REIT portfolio 2 years ago. Today, that portfolio generates over $200 every single month in distributions, automatically deposited. No work required. If real estate always seemed out of reach, REITs are how you get in without the barriers. Stream 4. Rental property. Now, let's talk about the one that actually builds serious wealth. A rental property is the most powerful income stream on this list because it does 3 things at once. You collect monthly rent, the property appreciates in value over time, and your tenant is essentially paying down your mortgage for you. The numbers are real. The average single-family rental in America generates between $800 and $2,000 a month in net cash flow after expenses, and cities like Austin, Nashville, and Charlotte are still seeing strong rental demand heading into 2026. Is it passive? Mostly. Especially if you hire a property manager, which typically costs 8 to 10% of monthly rent. You trade a small cut of the income for never having to take a maintenance call again. Yes, it requires capital and management, but it's the only stream on this list that lets you leverage someone else's money to build your own net worth. Your tenant pays your mortgage. The bank funds your asset. You collect the difference. Meet Michael. He's 47, an accountant from Georgia. He bought his first rental property at 42 with a 20% down payment. 5 years later, that property has appreciated by $60,000, paid down his mortgage, and still drops $1,100 into his account every single month after the property manager takes their cut. He's now looking at his second property because once you see how it works, you want more of it. Stream 5. Digital products. This one surprises people, but pay attention, because this is the income stream that doesn't require much money to start. A digital product is something you create once and sell forever. An ebook, an online course, a template, a guide. You build it one time, upload it, and every sale after that is almost pure profit with zero additional work from you. The e-learning industry hit $375 billion in 2025. People are paying for expertise online at a scale that wasn't possible 10 years ago, and you don't need to be a celebrity or an influencer to make this work. Meet Sarah. She's 38, a financial planner from Colorado. She spent 2 weekends creating a budgeting template on Canva, priced it at $27 on Etsy, and forgot about it. 6 months later, she logged in and found she'd made over $4,000 in sales. She'd sold the same file 150 times. She didn't ship anything. She didn't talk to anyone. The money just showed up. The key is solving a specific problem that a specific person has. The narrower, the better. Budget template for freelancers beats budget template every time. Stream 6. Affiliate marketing. You've been recommending things to people your whole life. Affiliate marketing is the first time you actually get paid for it. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program, share a link, and every time someone clicks that link and buys something, you earn a commission. Amazon's affiliate program pays between 1 and 10%. Software companies often pay 20 to 40%. Some programs pay recurring commissions every month for as long as that customer stays subscribed. You don't need a huge audience to make this work. You need the right audience. A blog, a YouTube channel, an email newsletter, even a Pinterest account can generate consistent affiliate income once it has traction. Meet James. He's 41, a former engineer from Illinois. He started a blog about home automation in 2023. Nothing fancy, just honest reviews of smart home devices. 2 years later, his Amazon affiliate links bring in between $1,200 and $1,800 every single month, completely on autopilot. He writes maybe one new article a month. The old ones keep earning. The upfront work is real, but once it's built, it runs without you. Stream 7, Treasury bonds and bond laddering. This last one is for people who want predictable, guaranteed income with zero risk. And right now, in 2026, it's more attractive than it's been in years. United States Treasury bonds are backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government. They cannot default. And right now, 10-year Treasury bonds are yielding between 4 and 5% annually. That means you lend money to the government, and they pay you interest every 6 months like clockwork. Bond laddering takes this further. You spread your investment across bonds that mature at different times, say 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years. That way, you always have money coming available, and you're never locked out of better rates if interest rates rise. Meet Patricia. She's 63, 2 years from retirement. She put $100,000 into a bond ladder last year. She now receives guaranteed interest payments every 6 months, totaling around $4,500 a year. No stock market risk, no volatility, just predictable income she can plan her retirement around. If you're within 10 years of retirement, this stream deserves serious attention. So, here's the truth about income stream. You don't need all 7 of these. Nobody starts with all 7, but you do need more than one. The people who get hurt financially are the ones with everything riding on a single paycheck. One layoff, one health scare, one company going under, and it all disappears. Start with Stream 1 this week. Move some money into a high-yield savings account. It takes 15 minutes and costs you nothing. Then pick one more that fits where you are financially and start building. Because the best time to build a second income stream was 10 years ago, the second best time is right now. Tell me in the comments, which of these 7 streams are you starting this month? And if you want to know exactly how to set up your first dividend portfolio, watch this video right here. I'm George, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.